Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Blah blah blah. Get through all the cringy things. The cringy intro. First, we're gonna be beating BoneLab with only a pistol. Going to be beating BoneLab with only a pistol. I will show you what pistol when we get through all this garbage. And only a certain person, which I'll show right now. How did I...
Paint the walls with this loser.
With this guy. So, let's go. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not even on me. Oh my god. Am I even dying? Oh no, I am. Just barely. Hey, this is why. That's why we're using that gun. So yeah. Let's go. Okay. Oh. Let's go. How is there blood? You're a literal skeleton. Oh my god. So yeah, if you can't tell, this is the pistol I'm using. It's just changed a bit. Oh my god, ammo. Let's go. Ding, ding, ding. Good. What did... Okay. Just angry because it doesn't have a lot of ammo. Is there anything else? If I'm correct, this is the spot where the house is. Yep. Why is he like extra bright red? Oh, everything's broken over here. Oh, they're already alive. Okay. I'm just gonna wait. Come on, get up. Bye. Hey guys. Oh my god, oh my god. Screwed it. Forgot my pistol. I hate going up this thing. Just, there we go. No. No. Ah. Oh no.
You're on your own from here on out, pal.
No, not.
It's a long story. But hey, welcome home. Everything's possible for Lava King.
One in the lava gang. No, not my watermelon. Yes, watermelon. Yum yum. Oh no, my watermelon! My watermelon! Let's get into the quarantine. Oh my god, go. There we go. I don't even... Where's my gun?
What happened to the original fantasy?
Oh, gotta get my gun back. Alright, let's go. Let's go! No! Seriously? If anything, I'm fast and strong, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Let's get through this part. I used to get stuck in this part so much because it was so hard, but it's really easy. It's not hard at all. You just gotta push this over. Grab the table, you know. Holy crap! Yeah, I'm strong. No, where's the thing? Okay, it's right there. Cool. I didn't grab it. Okay. That's definitely fun. Yes, that's what I thought. Okay, let's go. Oh, my arm's like broken. Can't even hit me. You're bad. I can't hit you either. Hit him. I'm not trying. Just drop my gun. Where's my... Do I still have my gun? Question mark, question mark. No, I no longer... Oh, there it is. Let's go. If I remember what this part... Oh, no. Nope. Oh, I hate this part. Thank God I have a trash can lid. Did that just kill him? I guess so. Alright, let's go. Just rush. Don't die. Oh, wow. They hit for a lot. Noted. Just gonna... Don't you... Okay. Let's bring this. Yes, sir. Come on. Epic puzzle. Absolutely amazing puzzle. Oh, yeah. Alright. Jump. Make it, make it. I didn't make it. Nope, have to reload. Yes. That's my ammo. Finally. Holy crap. Ah. Oh. Ah. Okay. Oh, there's a person. Okay, watch this, guys. It's like from Fortnite. Messed up. Oh, there's two of them. Okay, that's it. I actually go experience mode. Okay. Great. Oh, that drops me. Huh. For who knows how long I finally beat it. So, oh god. Can you face your hands? This gun needs better accuracy, and I mean it. Oh. Is that it? Oh yeah, I was like messing around in this map for ages trying to find the one of the orbs, and I somehow like escaped it. It was weird, but it was over there. Oh, I love this part. Oh my god. Whoa, that gives me nausea. I'm getting off. Nausea, amnesia, I'm not sure. I don't really care either. Back from a snack break. Okay. Wait. No, what's going on? Again. It's... There you go. Yeah, we're flying into nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't remember that part. There are the boxes again. Hobo. My hand's stuck or something. Oh, this. I hate this. I hate this one so much. And I have a good reason for it. Yeah. Just, oh, am I supposed to reach that? As if. Alright, come on. So the last. Epic. Great. Alright, you ready for this? Holy crap, my aim is... It's amazing. I'm amazing. Oh, I hate this part. Oh, look up. Not sure what I'm looking up to. Ryan Reynolds, I look up to him. That's about it. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Okay. Yes. Yes. Ryan. Ooh. Let's push that. Bozos. No, I have no ammo. You shall not survive. What's that do? Oh my god! More ammo. I love ammo. Cool. And there's these guys. I don't appreciate you. That guy. I don't think I killed him, to be honest. If not, that I did now. Okay. That's ammo. That. I missed every one of my bullets. That's the wrong one. Whoa. Wowzers. Ah. No. Suck it. It's not gonna be. Oh, I'm too good. You see that? I saw that. Okay. And now we're just gonna. Da da da. Da da. I'm not sure if I made that. Yes, I did. You can let go of me now. And there's like 8 guys that come out of there, and then the purple guys. Yep, knew it. I've seen videos on you. Doesn't sound like anyone likes them. Including me. Yep. Alright. Of course I don't have ammo. Why would I have ammo? No one starts with ammo, right? Yeah, I can play this game too. Get out of the way. Oh, you're here. Okay. Screw it. Good. I love when there's nothing here. We're just gonna... You're funny. Yeah, bye-bye. Cool. Trash can. Oh, I forgot they have guns. Guess who else has guns? And doesn't... I have the worst aim. Hey, guy. Ooh. You know, I think I crashed into something that I shouldn't have. So, if it's okay with you guys, I'm just gonna... You didn't see anything? Oh, yeah, I never liked this part. So, someone told me, is you bring this bad boy, and it's patched, or just discombobulated. Just get final. I have no clue what that does. I just need more ammo. Yeah. Oh no. Yes. My aim being the dog crap it is. Forked. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, it's scary. Yes! I made it! Let's go. Let's fix my head set. Do they die with one hit? They don't? It's unrealistic humans. Where's my arm going? Why does it just have the sad music in the back? Like, I'm not murdering these guys because I need to. What? Will you now? Who's it? Stop it. How are you not? Yeah. I made it. I finished the game. Again. With only this pistol. This thing. This beauty. Okay? This absolute beauty of a gun. I've got your finger. Now let me. This world sucks. Let's get out of here, you know? Let's hide that bad boy up there for someone new. Leave him some ammo. Yes, we made it. Oh, I can grab this. What are you grabbing? Wait, what are you grabbing? Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Can you open up the... Oh. What do you mean? Yeah, don't mind at all, man. Hey. Oh, I thought he was leaving me. Where do we gotta be? There we go. Yeah. Alright, guys. Like, subscribe, join the Discord down in the description to get BoneLab mods if you want any. Follow my TikTok, Cosmo_GT. I post some really cool stuff. Like Gorilla Tag, mainly Gorilla Tag. I will do fan codes and stuff for it. But, yeah. So if you guys like the video, just, subscribe, like, like I said, go follow my TikTok, go join the Discord. Soon I'm gonna have my avatar, my own avatar, so I'll probably post that as a short. So yeah, bye. Let's just... Where do you think you're going, buddy? Mess around with this guy a little bit. No, oh my god.